In this video I'm going to show you how to set up the action button on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Let's dive right into it. First of all, on your iPhone, tap on Settings. Then tap on Action Button. By default, the action button is set to silent mode. To use the action button, you simply press and hold it. Let me quickly demonstrate. As we're currently in silent mode, when I will now press and hold the action button, it will switch to ring mode. Let's have a look. If I want to switch back to silent mode now, again, I would simply press and hold the action button. This is how the action button works no matter which action is currently linked to it. So let's have a look at the other actions that you can choose. For example, you can use it to either turn on or off focus mode. Or maybe my favorite action that the action button can perform is opening up the camera. Let's have a look at that as well. To give it a try, I will first go back to the home screen. Now I press and hold the action button. And as you can see, this directly opens up the camera, which is super handy. So to use the action button on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you simply need to choose an action from this list here. And then perform the action by pressing and holding the action button. If you just press the action button very quickly and don't hold, you will only see which action is currently linked to the action button. Let me quickly show you this as well. So now I'm just going to press it very quickly. And as you can see on top of the screen, we can simply see which action is linked to the action button, but no action is actually performed. You can also use the action button to perform more complicated actions. To do so, in this list here, you would need to choose Shortcut. Then tap on Choose Shortcut. And for instance, you could then use the action button to open up an application. To do so, you would just need to tap on Open App. And you can then choose the application that you would like to open up with the action button from this list here. I'm going to choose the chess app here as an example. And now the action button will actually open up my chess application. Let's have a look. Works like a charm. When you have the action button linked to Shortcut here, you can actually also create your very own shortcut and then link it to the action button, which is really nice. To use the action button with a custom shortcut, you would first need to open up the shortcut application and then create a new shortcut there. After you've done that, you will be able to tap here. And you can then choose your very own shortcut here under My Shortcuts. The Shortcuts application actually comes pre-installed on your iPhone. If you have deleted it for some reason, you can always go to the App Store and re-download it from there for free. And that's all you need to know about how to set up the action button on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.